I have created a outer div with id outer and 10 inner divs with id with class name box. Then in CSS part, for this outer id, I have given display flex and flex direction row, and for inner divs containing box class, I have given width 50 pixel, height 50 pixel, background color green, and margin 2 pixels. Okay. Now, still we have this much of white space towards its right. So as there are 10 boxes, we know we can write 10% to equally distribute the width. But now the issue is the width and height aspect ratio is changed. Previously we have 1:1 ratio for width and height, but now it changed, right? And if the screen sizes changes, then it also affects the aspect ratio. But if you want to maintain the aspect ratio, whatever may be the screen size, okay, you want to make it responsive as well as it should maintain the aspect ratio, then we don't have any percentage property for height, right? You cannot mention any percentage value for height. Okay, let us see, right? So what you can do, you can write here aspect ratio 1/1, means 1:1. Okay, so now your width and height has same aspect ratio. See now. Okay, when I am decreasing or increasing the screen size, the height maintains same aspect ratio with width, right? Similarly, if you want your height to be 1.5 times of width, then you can do that. See now, height is 1.5 times of width. If you want to make height half times of width, so you can write 0.5. If you want to make height 1/3 of width, you can write 0.33 to make it 1/3. Okay, suppose you want your width to be 1/3 of your height, then you can write accordingly. Okay, and suppose you want your width to maintain the aspect ratio of height, then you can write height, omit the width, and maintain aspect ratio. Suppose the width you want to be 2 times of height, so our height is 50 pixels, so now width is 100 pixels. As for this aspect ratio, it automatically calculated your height, sorry, the height of box. Okay.